I'm here at SAS Innovate on Tour, Mumbai, and I have the pleasure of hosting Aashish Kshetry, the Vice President at Asian Paints, which is India's largest paint company. Thank you for joining us, Aashish.
Sure. Thanks for having me here.
Our pleasure. Aashish, at Asian Paints, you've been always a very mature user of analytics, and clearly AI and Gen AI is the next step, as part of the evolution of your journey. Would love your thoughts about what you're doing at Asian Paints, especially with some of the more forward-looking technologies like AI.
So we've been driving an initiative called Insight-Driven Organization using analytics for more than a decade now. With the onset of AI, we started looking at how algorithms can take decisions much faster and give the power to more number of employees in the organization. And we've been looking at various technologies and use cases and implemented across functional domains, whether it's in supply chain, in our demand forecasting solutions, in our recommendation engines for our retailers, also for vision, for fraud detection in our manufacturing plants. So it's these kind of use cases that we have been implementing on AI. And with Gen AI coming in, we are getting more excited to look at more scenarios coming up.
That's lovely. Just from a customer perspective, what does all of this mean to your consumer at the end of the day?
As I said, we have, as we're transitioning more to a B2C organization, our touch point to the consumers are increasing. There are various scenarios in that area itself that we are looking at.
Sure.
It could be things around defects that are reaching consumers, if at all they reach. How soon can I, use AI, find out what the defect is just by taking a photograph, and get the right person on ground to solve it if we ever reach that situation. For our retailers, it's also a way that we provide a recommendation engine so that he can make a better judgment of where his money is going into and select the best scheme that is available at any point in time so that he's able to maximize his returns. So that's something that we have been driving.
Lovely. Now, you've been driving digital transformation initiatives at Asian Paints. Is there an element of culture? Is there an element of learning and upskilling involved?
Oh yes, I think you talked about culture. I think we are blessed with a culture where people look forward to technology as an enabler.
Right.
There's no fright of change, and as a culture we're looking at always innovating. So that helps. But at the same time, technologies get more and more complex. So it does require good partnerships with organizations who can provide technology skills and products, and we really like to partner with them to look at our next leap that we want to take in any area.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing your insights with us, Aashish, and it's absolutely a pleasure to have you with us today.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.